Let's be honest. Most of the presentations are boring. Slides full of text, people stop listening, some even fall asleep. But here's the thing, you can use Canva to turn your dull, boring presentation into something engaging, animated, fun to watch. And the best part, you don't even need a pro plan. Hey guys, this is Krishna from Digital Contouring, and today's video I will show you how you can use Canva smartly to add simple animations to make your boring presentation into interesting one. If you ever felt your slides don't hold attention, then this video is for you. By end of this video, you will know exactly how to make presentation that actually people love watching. Let's start. So here you can see the animation that I created. See first point, second point, third, fourth and fifth. For example, I want to explain 5 points, 5 topics in my presentation, and this is how the animation that I created. And let's learn how you guys can create. So open your Google and search Canva. And this video is for beginner, those who don't know anything about Canva. They can watch step by step how I'm creating animation in presentation, and that will be helpful for you. So you can see the first website, just click on this. If you're not logged in, just log in by using your email ID, and you can see the Canva dashboard here. Once the dashboard is open, you need to go on the presentation section. Here you can see the different canvas that we create in Canva. So we will go for the presentation, because what we are doing, we are creating animation for presentation in this particular video. So first thing, you need to create your base page on Canva. So I'll create one basic page here, and I will show you how to create this animation. So let's start with the my colors that I use from the brand kit. I will select the color from here. So this is the color that I use for my branding. You can shuffle it around and you can see which color that you like to work on. So for example, let's take this, and if you press T on the keyboard, then so text box will appear here. So let's add the topic name here, Canva Magic Tools, and change its font to the font that I use. Make it bold from here. Let me just select again and extra bold. Now, so this is the topic is ready. Place you can adjust by clicking on the position, center and middle of the page, and then again press T and reduce the size. Now again I will change the regular font from the pop-in. Here I will add the branding. So let's add the branding here on this page. Reduce the size. Then let's add logo. Let's put the logo here. You can put here like this. What else we need to add? Let's add one more thing here. YouTube tutorial. Okay, let's add, because this is YouTube tutorial, and after this we will add the page number here. So this is the first page that we created in Canva. Right now let's duplicate this page and we will reduce its size, and it will become here on the center. Let's again go to the position, click on the center. Now once it's done, now let's create boxes that we saw in the animation. So let's take this, and here I will just add the name. First let me just select one square, press R, the box will come on the canvas, and let adjust its size and everything. From here I can customize this particular box. So let's click on this. I want to add stroke to this, so outline for this box up to 3 is good, and then I will change its color. And here you can see the add new color. I'm just taking random colors from here, and before that, okay, now let's make it gradient, and I can add one more color. I will change more vibrant colors here, so it will be visible. Okay, for example, this looks good. Let's go with one more dark color, because the background is white, that's why I'm selecting the dark colors. And let's make the this box color transparent from the inside like this, and I can make it rounded corner from here. Okay, and let's put here. So let's add few colors so it will be more visible. From here, let's select and see how it is looking. Now you can see the gradient outline we created here. Let's adjust properly like this, and we'll reduce its size. like here. Make a group of this text and the element, and let's add the name first element name. For example, busy remover. Then we will add second element. Just select duplicate name of the second magic tool, magic grab. Let's add one more element name. You can add your topic like this and adjust the layer size from the left and right and from the middle exactly same. Then you can add one more element name magic media. Let's add magic media. Suppose these three examples that we are talking about this topic, and duplicate the page. Now you can reduce its size the way you want, as small as you can create and put here and place here wherever you want to put. So I just want from here, from diagonally, this will come first topic, second topic, and third topic. So duplicate the page. And now what I will do, I will just select this element. I will place here where I want. I will increase its size like here. Then duplicate this page. Again, now I will take this and I will place here. And now here you can adjust by just need to maintain the reference line. You can see now it's the same. And duplicate the page. Select this element, place here, and increase the size of all slides you can see at the bottom of this canvas. And here you will just take your pointer, then you will find this add button, add page, and add transition. Click on this and you just need to use this match and tool transition. Click on this and adjust the timing of the transition. And if you scroll here, you will find apply all the pages. Just click on this and it will be automatically apply on the page. Now you can adjust the timing of this from here. Automatically it will change, or let's play it again how it looks. So this is the topic. See, first point, second point. And this is how you can create animation in presentation. I hope now you will make interesting presentation so that your audience will not going to sleep.